How to merge your multiple PDFs into a single PDF. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can merge multiple PDFs into a single PDF. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, go to the search bar and search for I love PDF. So press enter and you'll be redirected to this home interface. So over here search for merge PDF. Now you can see that this is merge PDF, by which you can merge multiple PDFs in the order you want with the easiest PDF merger available. So just click on it and you'll be redirected over here. So here by clicking you could click by select PDF files and navigate the directory from where you wish to get the PDF, or you can drag and drop here. You can either select PDF from Google Drive, and in addition to that you can also select the PDF from Dropbox. So this is pretty simple, and this is basically how you can merge your PDFs into a single PDF. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.